Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Sportage or Kia Sorento guys. If you have one of those, you need to find out where your map sensor is located, how to remove it, how to replace it. Stay with us, all that will be covered in this video today. You don't need to remove your engine to do that, but with the engine being out, we'll be making hundreds of videos that can potentially save you thousands of dollars guys, and we can clearly show you where everything is located. So let's explain that now. So this should work on Kia Sportage and Kia Sorento different years. For instance, they start using it in early 2012 all the way to 2016-17 depending on the market guys. That's a 2.4 GDI engine. So before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the garage guys, we take them completely apart and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Also guys, if you want to buy parts or tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Specifically, this is an engine out of a 2013 Kia that we'll be demonstrating on. And with that being said, okay, if you have a Kia guys or other vehicle, check our main channel Auto Repair guys. We have videos that have helped more than 120 million people guys, that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. Now guys, many of you have been asking us recently in the comment section below to share which computer we prefer to diagnostics, what we recommend. So this is the one. We'll put the link where you can get it from in the description of the video below. It's amazing tool that can pay itself off in one-time use guys. Key is right here. It's an all-system scanner, but it works on almost any car you can think of, even Lamborghinis guys and Ferraris. We used it on Porsche, BMWs, Mercedes, and it's amazing too. So with all that being said guys, okay, let's explain where the map sensor is located. So that's your engine, that's your intake manifold. The map sensor is located on the intake manifold because it's known as a manifold absolute pressure sensor. That's the abbreviation, manifold absolute pressure sensor, map sensor. So if you look at it guys, it should be past the throttle body. Okay, that's your throttle body, that's your intake manifold. Then if you look right here guys, that's your map sensor right here. Kia Hyundai part, because as you know, the same has been used on both Kia and Hyundai. What you need to do, you're close to the radiator fan guys. We recommend to disconnect the car battery, because if that fan turns on, you can lose your fingers. And on those modern cars, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can cause damage to the engine computer and the electrical system that can cost you thousands of dollars to fix guys. So we have a special video that explains that, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Please check it out. Then after it's disconnected, you're going to grab that connector and push it in as much as you can, then press down here to make sure it releases, and then start pulling it out guys. Okay, it may be stuck. Now if you don't have enough room, what you can do, to pull it, you can remove that bolt, or you can remove the wiring harness here and try to remove it. Then 10mm socket guys. Once we get that socket, we need to remove that bolt. Okay, right there. So the moment we unscrew that bolt, that map sensor should be able to come out in a little bit. It may be really stuck guys. That's where things get interesting. Why? Because that sensor has an O-ring that prevents vacuum leaks. Vacuum leak is extra air that the engine can lose guys, or gain. So now get it like that, twist it, turn and pull at the same time. It may be stuck, but eventually it will come out. That's the O-ring that we're talking about. Make sure it comes with the sensor and for some reason doesn't end up in the intake manifold, because it can damage your engine. So this is guys your map sensor. We have a video how to test map sensor soon coming on the channel that is going to explain all that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.